Hey everyone, I hope you're doing good today and the piston race has started. The doors are finally open on this project that pays you 1% passive income every single day, and the potential to earn a lot of money from this protocol is very real. In this vid, I'm going to briefly explain what Piston is, how you can make money from it, and what you need to do to join this project to start making passive income right away. Just a reminder, I'm not a financial advisor and this isn't financial advice, so please always do your own research before investing in something and only do what you think is best for you. I've already done a detailed video about Piston and about how it works, so I'll leave a link to that video in the description. In a nutshell, how the piston race works is that you deposit piston tokens into your gas tank and you earn 1% of whatever you deposited every day. So for example, if you deposit $100, then every day you're going to get $1 worth of piston in profit. But as with drip, the real power of the piston race is with compounding interest, or in Piston's terminology, nitro. So what you can do is with your available fuel, you can withdraw that into your wallet, or you can nitro or compound it back into your gas tank, which means the following day, the 1% profit you get is going to be that little bit extra. And with regular compounding week after week after week, that 1% per day can actually start to become a lot of money. The Piston Race launched about 3 or 4 days ago, so it's a very, very early project, but it does come from the same team that bought you my Diamond team. We're on Deck Screener at the moment, and this is the price of Piston since it launched. And you can see at the moment, it's actually quite stable. It's hovering around $13.68 per piston token. I personally believe that this price is going to start to go higher and higher as more people start to know about the project and start to invest in it. Having said that, I can't predict the future and I don't know what is going to happen to the price of Piston. If you want to join the Piston race, you can swap BUSD for Piston tokens on their website for 0% tax, and you just go to the swap tab. Once you've got the tokens in your wallet, you come over to race, then you come down to start and you enter the referral wallet address and you put in how much piston you want to do, and then you click approve and deposit. Once you've done that, it'll put some in your gas tank and you'll see that your available fuel will start to increase straight away. You do need a referral code to join the Piston race, and once you enter that referral code, you become part of that person's pit crew. What people do with their pit crew is up to them, but for anybody who joins my pit crew or Dan's team, then what I'm going to do is I'm going to be doing a lottery airdrop every single weekend. And how the lottery system is going to work is that every weekend, the available fuel, I'm not going to compound it. And then on Sunday, I'm going to airdrop this number divided by X amount of people. The amount of people that I send it to is just really dependent on how many people are in my pit crew. So you are guaranteed to win an airdrop at some point. If you do want to join my pit crew, then the referral link and code is in the description of the video, or you don't have to join my pit crew. You can join somebody else's. Regardless, you need some kind of referral link if you want to join the Piston race. And also I'd recommend watching my previous video where I really deep dive into the Piston project and sort of explain why it is different to other projects like Drip and my Diamond team. So my friends, if you want to get 1% interest every day and use the power of compounding interest on this very, very new project, then go ahead. If you want to join my pit crew, I'd love to have you racing with me. I'd love to know what you think about this project. Are you going to spend a lot of time compounding or more time taking profits, or a nice mixture between the both? Are you going to get a pit crew? Are you going to be doing airdrops? Would love to know everything. Please leave a comment, and until next time, I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.